To my best friend. No matter how many friends I have, no matter how much time I spend with them or how much I talk to them, always remember that no one can replace you. You were, are, and will always be irreplaceable.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.
It might make you sneeze, but I'll do it just for you. Oh look. It's the friend that gets left out. It's the friend that always makes sure everyone else is okay but nobody asks if you're okay. It's the friend that will walk behind everyone else if there isn't space on the sidewalk.
Tap, 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 wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8-figure nigga. Face on zaddy, pockets on jigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder.
Put your head on my shoulder.
People always ask, isn't it too much? But I'm like, it'll never be enough. Never. It'll never be enough. Like never ever is never enough. And it will never be enough.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but keep going because they're all watching. The ones who said you couldn't do it, the ones who know you can do it, the ones that want to know what you're doing, and the ones that want to stop you from doing it.